Good morning. What a view on my final day in the mountains. I'm off to the Mleeta Tourist Monument today, which is a Hezbollah theme park site. I'm not sure if I'm going to go in yet. My governments don't have good things to say about Hezbollah, so I'm not sure how much I want to be handing money over to this group. Always, these monuments are always up the stupidest hills. At least entry was free, so I don't have to worry about supporting Hezbollah.
They have nothing to do to fight face to face against the resistance. That's why they attacked this area with missiles and bombs. They call it Sujud because Sujud is the son of Yaqub, the prophet. And they believe he is blessed and he is buried in that area.
Windy at the top. I'm hoping it's going to be warmer down at the coast. Coffee, can of baba ganoush, tub of olives, and whatever this is, $3.50. Maybe not the most beautiful stretch of road, but it was a rare section where the surface quality was good enough that I could remove one hand from the handlebars with which to film. Left it pretty late. It took me a lot longer to get down that mountain. There was a lot of climbing on the descent. But I've just met a nice family of banana plantation workers, and they've pointed me to this bit of beach. So this is me. Hope it's a good spot. Dinner tonight is a can of baba ganoush, olives and some halva and some delicious Lebanese wine. Back down to the coast. It's so good to be beach camping again. I think it's flat all the way from here. Time to rest my legs. I still don't know cheers in Arabic. Sante to my first Lebanese beach camp.